right, welcome back inside our Vancouver Proactive Studios. And joining us in studio right now is Steven McAuley. He's the CEO of Empower Clinics. And welcome back to you, my friend. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Lots of exciting stuff happening. And this is a very interesting news release. This talks about an agreement that you've signed with a company called Cannvas Medtech. So tell us about who this company is.
Yeah, so Cannvas Medtech is actually a technology division that was originally kind of under the Agriflora umbrella.
Oh, okay.
And they spun that out last year, and it's its own standalone entity. And it's a business that's now public, but what they focus on is general cannabis education. And then technology tools to help get that knowledge base and education to anyone who is looking for it. So it's been a mission of mine to do more for our patients and to be a thought leader on the education side, just to the industry in general.
Right.
And so rather than just trying to create it ourselves, these guys have done such a great job already. It's better to partner with them and their knowledge base and bring that to the market together.
So you're going to do a pilot project where you're in essence putting kiosks into your clinics. And so explain to us, first of all, how many clinics are you going to do with first in this pilot project and what's going to happen?
Yeah, so the quantity is going to be through the current existing Empower network of clinics, which are in Oregon and in Washington State. So we'll have 5 sort of physical locations that we can go ahead and place those kiosks in.
Okay.
And then once we get through the final closing of the Sun Valley acquisition that we had previously announced, we would intend to bring the kiosks there to help expand the pilot. And it's really about getting access to our patients in different jurisdictions and markets and start to get feedback from the patients themselves on how do they perceive these kiosks? Are they helpful for them? Are they actually even using them and for the intended purpose that we hope that they will?
So the process works. So I'm sitting in the waiting room. I'm waiting for one of the doctors, or I've seen one of the doctors on my way out. I walk up to the kiosk, and I imagine it looks like an iPad or something like that. You start pressing buttons. Is that how it's going to work?
Yeah. So it is kind of like an iPad. It's like a big oversized iPad. It's a touch screen that's very simple, very intuitive for any user.
Okay.
It's based on icons, and you go ahead and just begin interacting by touching the screen. And it's going to just prompt you to answer some questions about who you are, sort of a demographic type question.
Sure.
And then what type of information are you trying to gather? So as an example, it'll ask you, what is the qualifying condition that perhaps you're coming to see the medical or the physician for? And as you answer some of those questions, it intuitively takes you through some more informational steps. And then potentially at the end of it, it can offer you some guidance, some things to think about, and even offer you potential product options that may be beneficial, whether it's a CBD ointment or cream or gel cap or tincture.
Right.
But again, the educational nature of the kiosk will serve that information up for you.
And that's the one thing is there's a lot of I don't want to say misinformation, but there's a lot of information on the internet. And as we've seen with regular healthcare, where you're dealing with just a regular MD, trying to find information at Dr. Google sometimes is always the great thing. So here's an opportunity for you to research exactly what you want in a place that obviously you can ask questions about if you're there as well.
Yeah, and that's one of the real strengths of the Cannvas Medtech team is that these guys are harnessing all the knowledge base that's out there and filtering through it and organizing in a way that our patients and consumers can actually use it quickly and effectively without, as you say, searching through Google and looking at numerous links and not really knowing kind of where you're going.
Right.
So we think that this is going to be much more effective. What we also like about it is whenever the patient is touching the screen and looking for content, we're able to capture what that patient's needs are. So from an information standpoint, again, who are they, what is their qualifying condition, and where did they go as they navigate through the list of educational options.
Right.
So for us, we think going forward, in conjunction with the Cannvas Medtech team, that we'll actually be able to create more data and create more content and information that will make us even more knowledgeable.
Interesting. And so you're hoping to roll it out the next little while?
Yeah, we will. We think, we're in April with it. I think May we'll see the first ones landing at our clinics in the Pacific Northwest. And we'll run the pilot for a few weeks. Like I say, get feedback from our clinic staff, from the physicians, but we'll certainly get survey results back from our patients themselves.
Exciting stuff. We look forward to seeing all the data. Great to see you again, Stephen. Thank you very much. Interesting. Well, Steven McAuley, he's the CEO of Empower Clinics.